Hello friends, I'm Neshik from blogtoot.com, and today in this video I'll teach you how to create a professional and beautiful micro job and freelance website like Fiverr, Freelancer and Upwork.com. Now this website that we're going to create in this video has all the important features and functionalities that a professional micro job website like Fiverr must have. Let me explain you. Now this is the exact same website that we will be creating in this video. This is the exact same website. Now what makes this the perfect micro job website? Let me show you all the important features. Now first of all, what happens in a freelance website? Any freelancer who has some skill, who can provide some service, they can come to your website and they can click on this button, post a mJob, which stands for micro job. And obviously there are already so many different categories created, as you can see, for copywriting, lifestyle, logo design, digital marketing, SEO, web analytics, so many different options. I've also created a category for WordPress, so just like Fiverr.com. So if a freelancer comes to your website and clicks on this button, post a mJob or post a job, they will see this page. Now here they have to choose any one of these plans. Now 3 different plans are available: Standard, Plus and Pro. In Standard plan, they can submit 4 jobs, as you can see over here, and this will cost them $5. Let's go back. Then in Plus plan, as you can see, they can post 15 jobs and this will cost them $10. Now obviously this is optional. If you want to keep this process free, you can disable this thing. I'll show you how you can keep this process free. Now if someone wants to post any job, they can select any plan. So in this example, let's select this plan, Standard plan. They will select this plan. Now here they will have to enter the job detail, like what is the job name, or what is the price of the job, and in how many days they can deliver this job. For example, if it is a logo design, in how many days they can complete this logo and deliver it to the customer. So they will type in that date. They will select the category, in which category their service falls. Then they will also describe this thing. Then they will add some images in the category. If they want, they can also add some extra services. I'll explain you everything in detail. Don't worry. I'm just showing you a quick demo of the exact same website that you will be creating in this video. Then after that, they will enter the opening message. I'll show you where this opening message will be displayed. And after that, they will click on save. Next step, they will have to make the payment. So they can make payment through PayPal. They can make payment through cash. Cash is basically, you will give your, let me show you. If you select this option, you will provide your banking details and they can transfer that money to your bank account. So this option is also available. We also have a credit balance system. So if a person wants, they can have some balance in their system. They can have some balance in their wallet, in their e-wallet, and they can spend from that. We'll see how that thing works. Now suppose they select cash, they will select cash. Then after that, they will get all the bank details. As you can see, bank name, IFSC code, account number, whatever detail you want to provide, you can provide those details. And after that, they can make the payment. Then their website or then their job will be displayed on your website. Now let me come back to home page. So this is the home page that we will be creating. Now in the home page, first of all, you have the header at the top. At the left hand side, you will see your logo. At the right hand side, first of all, you have this option, this bell icon. When you click on that, you can see all your notifications. Then if you click on this option, you will see all the different messages. So whenever you receive any message from your clients or from someone else or from the admin, you can see those messages over here. Then we have already seen this button, and after that you will see some more details like dashboard, claims, my profile and all those things. If you click on dashboard, you will see everything over here. First of all, happens on the front end. The customer or the seller don't have to go to the dashboard, or they don't have to go to the backend to do these things, to create a new listing, to manage claims. They don't have to go to the backend. Everything is happening over here in the front end. Now a seller in the front end, they will see how much money they have in their account, how many sales they have done, all the different statistics. If they have placed any order, they can see the order detail, or if they have received any task. For example, they created this job and someone applied for this job, that will display under task. We'll see how this thing works. So this is the dashboard. Then under this option, we also have some more options, like you can see your invoices, you can see your jobs that you have created. You can edit this job, you can pause this job. If you're not, if you're no longer providing this service, you can just pause this job. So you can do a lot of things from here. Then you can also control this thing like payment method. So how do you want to receive payment? So you can enter your bank account details, or you can enter your PayPal email address. You can also see your revenues and everything. So this is the dashboard for the seller or for the freelancer. Now again, let's come back to the home page. Then after that we have our menu. As you can see, this is your menu. We will display different categories over here. Then we have our first section. So in this section you will see this is your title, subtitle. Then after that we have a nice and beautiful search bar. So here it says I am looking for, and whatever you're looking for, WordPress developer, logo design, you can type in that thing and click on search. Then as you can see, it will automatically display how many micro jobs are available. So it says there are 30 different micro jobs available. Then we have different categories like 2D design, banner, ads, business card, all the different designs or all the different categories are available. Then again, when you scroll down, you will see the latest micro jobs. Now these two are latest. So if you don't select any featured image, this is the default featured image that will display. Then when you scroll down, you will see the My Account section, and at the bottom you will see your footer. Now let me open a single job. So this is how a single job will look like. So a seller has created this job. Now let's see this website from a customer perspective. So a seller has created this job. I am a customer. I'm looking for a logo designer. So maybe I see this profile. I see their portfolio. I see their description. I read their description. I read all the reviews that people have posted. Maybe I want to select this thing. So if a customer want to hire this freelancer, they can click on this option, claim this mJob. They will get a different option because we are logged in as a seller. We are getting different option, and they can also get some extra services. Like with this logo design, if you also want like 3 different unique logos, you can select this thing. Then you will have to pay some extra money, as you can see. So some extra features are also available. Then we have the opening message over here. Then we have the detail about this seller, okay, about the freelancer. If you want, you can also see the profile of the freelancer, how many reviews that freelancer has. Now, once you apply for this job, you will get into a private conversation with this freelancer. Then you can have a live chat. I'll show you how that thing works. You can have a live chat. You can explain to that person how this thing works. And also you can see the time of delivery over here is 2 days. So as soon as you claim this thing or as soon as you approve this thing, a new timer will start ticking. So within 24 hours or within 48 hours, that person has to submit you or they deliver you that particular project. And when they deliver the project, and if you like this project, after that this transaction will be settled. Now once the transaction is settled, that person, the seller or the freelancer, will see that amount in their dashboard over here under balance. Now from this balance, some certain commission will be deducted. For example, you're the website owner and you can deduct maybe 10%. So 10% from this account will be deducted. This 10% will be credited in your account, and that rest 90% will be credited in the freelancer's account. So this is how this complete process works. Now obviously there are many different features and there are many different things that I want to show you related to payments, related to packages, purchases, many different things, but we'll see that later on in this video. Right now I just wanted to show you the demo website at the beginning so that you guys can decide whether you want to watch the complete tutorial or not. Now if you like the demo website and if you want to create this professional micro job freelance website, make sure you watch the complete tutorial. And before proceeding further, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any future notifications. Now throughout the video, if you have any doubts, any comments, any suggestions for me, you can leave them in the comments section below. If you find this video helpful, please give a thumbs up to this video and share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, any social media platform that you use. Alright guys, now let's start creating this website. Alright guys, now to create any kind of website, whether it be a freelance website, an e-commerce website, a simple blog, a business website, membership website, any kind of website, we need 2 basic things, a domain name and a hosting account. A domain name is simply the name or the URL of your website like blogdude.com, google.com, nayashik.com, youtube.com. All these things are different domain names. So we also have to register a domain name on the internet so that whenever someone wants to visit your website, whether someone wants to reach your website, they can type in that domain name in the URL bar and they can land on your website. Now the second and the most important thing about a website is the hosting account. A hosting is basically a computer wherein your website is saved. So this entire website that you see on a screen, all the different categories, all the different jobs, all the different listings that are created, all the different pages, this entire website is saved in a computer, and that computer is running 24/7. So that whenever someone wants to visit your website from any particular country at any given time, they can always see your website live. Your website is always up and running. And hosting is the most important thing about your website, because everything related to your website is directly or indirectly dependent on your hosting. Your website speed, your website's performance, the user experience on your website. In fact, your Google ranking, your Google search result ranking is also directly dependent on your hosting. If you selected a good hosting, your website speed and performance will be amazing, and ultimately you will get better search results, you will get better ranking in Google search results. And obviously, if you have selected a crappy hosting, your website speed and performance will be really bad. So we don't want to do that. But you don't have to worry about that. You can simply open a new tab and type in blogtoot.com/SG. SG stands for SiteGround, and this link is also given in the video description below. So you don't even have to type in this thing. Simply click on that link and you should be redirected to this page. Now there are literally thousands of different hosting providers available in the market, but which one should you select, and why are we selecting this option? Why are we going with SiteGround? Now the reason I'm selecting SiteGround is based on my experience. I'm creating these YouTube tutorials for more than 5 years, and in this time period I've used many different hosting providers. I remember the first website that I created was using HostGator. Then I moved on to some other hosting, and ultimately I'm using SiteGround. And because I create these YouTube tutorials online, I get hostings for free. So many different hosting providers, almost every single hosting provider, they approach me, they give me hostings for free. They also give me renewals for free so that I can try their hosting. If I like it, I can recommend it to people. So because of this, I have tried many different hosting providers. I have tried GoDaddy, HostGator, SiteGround, TMD hosting, A2 hosting, many different hosting providers. And in my experience, SiteGround is the best hosting provider available in the market. And that is the reason why my own websites, my personal websites, the main website that I own, my main source of income, my main revenue website, blogtoot.com is also hosted on SiteGround. And other websites like nayashik.com, fahm.in, and there are some different businesses that I own. So websites of those businesses are also hosted on SiteGround. So that is the reason why I'm recommending SiteGround, because I personally use it. Now, as you can see, there are 3 different plans available over here: Startup, Grow Big, and Go Geek. Now, if you want to save some time, if you want to, save 5-10 minutes of your life, and if you want a short answer, just select the Grow Big plan and click on Get Plan button. And if you want to understand why are we selecting Grow Big plan and why not any other plan, just watch for a few more minutes. You will, your time will be well invested. Now, first of all, whenever you're selecting any hosting, you should see few things. First of all, how many things or how many websites can you host in that plan? So in startup plan, as you can see, you can host 1 website, whereas in Grow Big and Go Geek plan, you can host unlimited websites. And this is the most important thing. Now, what does this mean? So suppose today you're creating this freelancer website, and if you select startup plan, you can create this website without any problem. You can have unlimited pages, unlimited products, everything will be fine. But tomorrow, if you want to create another website, you will have to purchase a new hosting plan. Whereas if you select Grow Big or Go Geek plan, today you can create this website. Tomorrow, maybe if you want to create another website, or maybe another e-commerce website or some blog or business website, you don't have to purchase a new hosting plan. You can host all your website in one single plan. So in simple words, you just purchase this hosting plan once, and for all your future websites, you don't have to purchase this plan again. You can host all your websites in one single plan. Now, the second and the most important thing that you should see is how much web space you are getting and what kind of web space is that. So in startup plan, you're getting 10 GB, in Grow Big 20, and in Go Geek, you're getting 30 GB of web space. Now, let me explain you how much web space do you actually need. So if you want to create this website or any website like this, any e-commerce website, blog, or simple business website, membership website, any kind of website like this complete website, including all the different jobs, all the different pages, categories, this complete website is not more than 200 MB. So basically, if you select Grow Big plan, you can create more than 100 different websites like this one. And even if your website is very huge, for example, you created this website and now you have more than maybe 100,000 different listings, 100,000 different jobs posted on your website, and you have thousands of different customers and everything, still your website size will not be more than 2 or 3 GB. So you don't have to worry about that at all. Now, most important thing about over here is that these guys at SiteGround are using SSD space. Most of the hosting providers available in the market, they use the HDD plan. They use the HDD space. But here at SiteGround, these guys are using the best and fastest SSD plan or SSD storage. And when your website is hosted on SSD server, SSD storage, your website speed and performance is really amazing. So whenever someone visits your website, or just type in your website name in the URL bar, press enter, your website will instantly open within a second or within 2 seconds. If you're selecting some other hosting, those guys are using HDD plan, and whenever someone types in your website, lands on your website, it will take few seconds to load your entire website. So that is very important. Here they are using this super fast web space to store your website. Now the third thing that you see over here is the amount or the number of website visitors monthly. So basically this is just to give you an idea about which plan is better for what kind of website. So for example, if you see this Grow Big plan is best suited for those websites that generate around 25,000 monthly visitors. Now many people get confused over here. They think that if you're selecting Grow Big plan and if your website is getting more than 25,000 monthly visitors, they think that SiteGround will ask them to upgrade their plan to the Go Gig plan. But that is not what it happens. This is just to give you an idea. So if you're selecting Grow Big plan and even if your website is getting more than 50-60,000 monthly visitors, still Grow Big plan can easily handle your website. You don't have to worry about that. Now there are some more options and more features that we get, like unmetered traffic, free WordPress installation, free WordPress auto updation, and most importantly free SSL certificates. So if you see this website, you will see this lock pad over here. When you click on that, it says connection is secure. This is because we have this free SSL certificate installed. Now if you're creating a website like this one wherein you're creating different packages and you're receiving online payment, and if you don't have SSL certificate, you cannot do that. So any website which does not have SSL certificate installed on them, they cannot accept online payment. So it is very important to have SSL certificate. Then you also get daily backups. So you get free daily backups. So even if something happens to your website, you have the free daily backup. You can easily restore your website. We get free Cloudflare CDN. So this CDN will improve the security of your website. We also get free business email accounts. Now business email account means that instead of something regular like nayyar@gmail.com or nayyar@yahoo.com, you can create your own personalized email accounts like nayyar@blogtoot.com or your name at your website name.com, something like that. We get WP, CLI and SSH, very important. Then we also get unlimited databases. Now there are very few hosting providers that provide unlimited databases, and SiteGround is one of them. And this is 100% renewable energy match. You can read more about that. Now there are some more features that are available in this plan, in this Grow Big plan. So as you can see over here, this is the reason why I'm recommending you Grow Big plan. So if you want to select this plan, simply click on this Get Plan button. Now once you click on that button, you will be redirected to this page, and here you have to register a new domain name. So if you have not already registered a domain name, you can register the new domain name over here. So whatever domain name you want to register, just type in that domain name over here. For example, if I want to register nayyarshikh.com, I can type in nayyarshikh over here, and from the domain name extension, I can select .com, .net, .org. They are country specific as well. For example, .in for India, .nz for New Zealand, .uk for obviously UK. So there are country specific domain name extensions available as well. There are some generic as well, like .online, .blog, .shop. So whatever domain name extension you want, just select that. So basically just type in your domain name, select the domain name extension and click on proceed. Now if you have already registered a domain name, select this option, I already have a domain name. So if you have already registered your domain name somewhere else, like on GoDaddy, on Namecheap or some other website, you can select this option and click on proceed. Now you'll see this page. Now here first of all you have to enter your account information. In your account information you have to enter your email address and you have to choose a password. And obviously whatever you enter under password, under confirm password you have to enter the same thing. Now this is very important. Whatever you enter under account information, whatever email address and password you enter over here under account information, this email address and password will become your login ID or your login credentials. So whenever in future you want to log into SiteGround, they will ask you this email address and password. So make sure you remember this. Then after that you have your client information, which is your basic information like your country name, your first name, last name, your address, phone number, all these basic information. Now these two things are not compulsory, like company name and tax ID. So you can just leave them. You can just leave them blank, not compulsory. Then when you scroll down, you have your payment information. So here you have to enter your credit card, debit card, your ATM card number, your card expiry date, the CVV number, 3-digit number, which is given at the back of your card, and obviously your cardholder name. Now, one thing to note over here is that 3 types of cards are accepted over here: Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. So make sure you have one of these. If you're from India, many people in India have the RuPay card. RuPay is a domestic card which is available only in India and which is acceptable only in India. Outside India, it is not acceptable. So make sure you get a Visa or a MasterCard. You can just go to your bank and you can ask them. They will upgrade your card to Visa or MasterCard within 7 days. So make sure you have this. Then when you scroll down, you will see your purchase information. Now here you don't have to change anything. You just have to check everything. So here under plan, we have selected Grow Week plan. Under data center, this location will be automatically selected for you based on your location. So for me, because I am from India, for me, data center location in Singapore is selected. Then after that, we have the period, and under period, it is 12 months. Make sure you don't change this thing. If you change this thing, you will have to pay some extra money. Then when you scroll down, you will see this amount. Now the total amount that you have to pay is just $71 for 1 complete year of hosting. And this is really amazing. And if you compare this pricing with some, just regular hosting, in even the regular hostings, they provide or they charge you more than $100 for the first year. And here at SiteGround, you just have to pay $71 for 1 complete year of hosting. So that is really amazing. Now once everything is done, just tick mark these 2 things and click on Pay Now. Now once you make the payment, you have to open a new tab and type in my.siteground.com. Now here you have to enter the email address and password that you have entered in your previous tab under account information. So under account information, whatever email address and password you have selected, type in the same email address and password over here and click on Login. Then after that, you will see this page. Over here, click on this Websites tab. Here you will see all the different websites that you have registered with this hosting plan. You will always see your domain name over here. So this is the domain name that you have registered, nayashik.com. And below your domain name, you will see this button, Site Tools. Click on that button. Now here there can be 2 scenarios. First of all, you have just registered a new domain name with SiteGround, so that is amazing. The second scenario can be that you have already registered your domain name on some other website like GoDaddy or namecheap.com. So if you fall under second scenario, you have to go to that website wherein you have registered your domain name. So I'm going to godaddy.com. You have to log into your website, log into your GoDaddy account. And when you log into your GoDaddy or any other account, you will see all the different domain names that you have registered with that account. So for example, in this video, if you want to use maybe this domain name privilegebags.com with SiteGround, we can select this option, and besides this, you will see DNS. Besides every single domain name, you will see DNS. So select this DNS or just click on that DNS button. Now from here, we have to change the domain name servers. So click on Change and just delete these default name servers from here. Now come back to your website, scroll down. Here you will see your name servers. Copy the name server number 1, paste it under line 1, copy the name server number 2, and obviously paste it under line 2 and click on Save. Now when you click on Save, this can take up to 24 hours to do the changes. So by that time, we can do some more things on our website. So by that time, we can install SSL certificate on that domain. So to do that, from the left hand side, you will see security, click on that. And under that, you will see SSL manager, select that option. Now from here, you have to choose the domain name on which you want to install SSL. So in this example, I'm using this domain name, micro2.nayashik.com. So whatever domain you want to select that domain name. And from select SSL, select Let's Encrypt. And after that, click on Get. Now when you click on this Get button, this will take 2 minutes and this will successfully install SSL certificate on your domain. And once SSL is installed, you will see your domain name at the bottom. So as you can see, micro2.nayashik.com, SSL is already active on this domain name. So that's fine. So once you have successfully installed SSL certificate on your domain name, now you can install WordPress on that domain. And to do that, from the left hand side, you will see WordPress, click on that. And under that, you will see Install and Manage. Select this option. Now you'll get 2 options over here, WordPress or WordPress plus WooCommerce. We just have to select the first option, WordPress. Now over here under domain name, just select the domain name on which you want to install WordPress. Now leave the installation path, leave the language. Here you will see WordPress Starter. This is a plugin. We don't need this plugin, so just untick this thing. Now you have to choose a username. So just type in any username of your choice. Then after that, just type in any password of your choice. And just enter your personal email address, and after that click on Install. Now this will take around 10 to 12 seconds to successfully install WordPress on your domain. Alright guys, so as you can see, WordPress is successfully installed on this domain. Now you'll see this option, and now at the bottom you will see your domain name micro2.nailshake.com or whatever your domain name is, and besides that you will see this button, login to admin panel. Click on that button. Now a new tab will open and you will see your dashboard. Now this is your dashboard, and this is the most important page of your website, because from this page you will be controlling your website. If you want to change the design of your website, if you want to add some features on your website, if you want to select the payment, manage payment, release payment, whatever you want to do, you will be doing everything from this page. And whenever you want to come to this page, simply type in your domain name. After that, put a /wp-admin. Then you will land on this page. Now over here, first of all, you will see at the left hand side we have some options. First option is the dashboard option, and this is how your dashboard looks like. Then after that we have the post option. We'll be using this post option to create different posts, to create different blog, and to manage blogs. Then we have the media option, obviously, which will be used to manage media. If you want to upload some images, videos, you can do everything from here. You can manage your media from this page. Then you have the pages option, which obviously will be used to create different pages like your home page, contact page, about page, those pages. Then you have the comment option. So whenever you receive or whenever you have any comment on your website, you will see all those comments over here. If the comment is good, you can approve that. If the comment is spamming, you can just mark that as spam, or you can just delete that comment. Then after that you have the appearance option. Now under appearance you will see there are few themes which are already installed on your website, and this theme is already active. Now let me open our website in a new tab. So right now, as you can see, this is how your website looks like, and that is because of this theme, 2020 theme. So a theme is basically the design of your website. Whenever you want to change the style of your website, you simply change the theme. Now let me give you an example. So instead of this theme, suppose if I want to activate this theme, 2017 theme, I can simply activate this theme. Now once you activate this theme, you can come to your website and refresh it. And now as you can see, your website looks completely different. Now we haven't added anything, we haven't deleted anything. The only thing that we just did was to activate some other theme, and this is completely change your website. So this is what a theme does. A theme changes the appearance and style of your website. Now we must always have only one theme installed and activated, so all the other themes you can just delete them. So select the other themes, and at the bottom right corner you'll see delete button. Delete all these themes. Now later on, after some time, we'll be using some other theme, and with that we'll also be using some other plugins. Now from the left hand side, click on plugins. So you will always see one plugin installed and activated over here, SG Optimizer. And this is a very important plugin, because this plugin will improve the speed and performance of your website. And this plugin will be available to you only if you're using SiteGround. This is available only for SiteGround users. Now what is a theme? A theme is basically like a software. This will add some extra features and functionalities to your WordPress website. We'll see that later on. We'll understand this thing later on in detail. Now from the left hand side you will see settings. Click on that. Now over here, first of all, you will see your site title. So under site title, you just have to give your website a name. So you can name your website anything you want. Like my website name is BlogDude. So you can name your website anything. Then you have your tagline. So under tagline, basically you have to describe your website in few words, and you can include keywords over here. Like if I own, and for example, if I have a website, an e-commerce website wherein I sell drones, so I can type in something like best website for drones, something like that. So website and drone are different keywords. So basically you just have to describe your website in few words over here. Then after that you will see WordPress address and site address. Now right now, as you can see, it says not secure. Your website is not yet secure. So for that, what we have to do is, if you see HTTP over here, make it HTTPS, both at top and bottom. Make sure it is HTTPS, both at top and bottom. Then after that, make sure your personal email address is present over here. If you see some other email address, delete that and type in your personal email address. Then under membership, make sure to tick mark this thing, anyone can register, so that anyone can come to your website, they can register on your website, they can create a freelancer or a seller account, and they can also create a customer account. Now once you do these changes, go at the bottom and click on save changes. Now you will be logged out to your website and you will have to log in again. You have to enter your email address and password. Now under settings, you will see permalinks. Click on permalinks and make sure over here post name is selected. Now let's come back to dashboard. Now whenever you come back to your dashboard, you will always see these widgets. Now these are not really useful widgets, so let's dismiss them. So to dismiss them, you will see this screen option, click on that and simply untick everything from here. Okay, now it looks nice and clean. Now after we install new theme and plugins, you will see some useful widgets over here. Alright guys, so with this, all the basic settings that we have to do on our website is completed. Now we have to install a new theme and few more plugins so that we can get, or we can convert this boring website into something amazing like this one, and we can have all these different micro job website features. Alright guys, now let's do one thing. Let's open our website in a new tab. So right now this is how our website looks like. Right now we don't have this design, and we also don't have these features. No one can come to your website, sign up. They cannot right now, post a new job. A customer cannot apply for a job or anything like that. So to add these features and also to change the design of your existing theme, we need a new theme. And to get this theme, open a new tab and type in blog.com/microjob. Now this link is also given to you in the video description below, so you don't even have to type in this thing. Simply click on that link and you should be redirected to this page. Now as you can see, Micro Job Engine is the name of the theme. When you scroll down, you can see all the different features that this theme provides. Okay, as you can see, simple one-step search, reliable review and rating, all the different options, all the different features of a micro job website is present in this theme with different free plugins which is available with the theme. So to complete our website, we need this theme. So when you scroll down at the bottom, you will see, as you can see, this is how your website will look like after you install this thing. When you come at the bottom, you will see there are 3 different plans available: Basic, Plus and Pro. So you can get any one of these plans. So you can, once you get this thing, once you install this theme, you can have this theme, or you can use this theme on unlimited websites. With most of the themes, what happens is you can use that theme on only one website, but here you can use this theme on unlimited websites, and you can also get free updates of 12 months. So till 12 months, till 1 year, you will get free updates. So whenever this theme is updated, you will keep getting free updates of this theme. And after 1 year, you can still have this theme. You can still use this theme on unlimited websites forever. You don't have to purchase it again. Now basically, to create this website and to have all these different features, you can select any plan. You can even select the basic plan and you will have the basic features of a micro job website. But I would recommend you to select this Micro Job Engine Plus plan. Okay, it has all the basic features plus some more features like Stripe, discount, bookmark and job verification. And obviously, if you can afford to get the premium plan, the pro plan, the best plan, obviously just go with that, because we have so many new and amazing features available in that plan. So short answer, whatever plan you like, even if you select the basic plan, you will have the basic structure of a job engine website. So you don't have to worry about that. My recommendation, Plus plan. If you have the budget, go with the Pro plan. Okay, all the 3 options are available to you. So just purchase this thing. After that, you can go to my account. Once you purchase this theme, you will have to download a file. They will give you the file. So let me show you how that file will look like. So that file will look like something like this. Okay, it is a zip file. When you unzip this file, so right click on this file and click on extract files, and you will unzip this file. When you unzip this file, you will get a new folder with this same name. When you open that folder, you will have different files and different folders. So here, like child theme folder, documentation folder, extensions. In this extension, you have all the extensions that you have downloaded. And this is the theme file. We have to upload this theme file on our website. Let's see how we can do that. So to do that, come back to your dashboard, click on Appearance, click on Add New to add a new theme, click on Upload Theme, choose File and choose that file. Let me show you. It is over here, this folder, and this is the file. Select this file, click on Open, click on Install Now. You can see the progress at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now once this theme is successfully installed, you have to click on this link, Activate Theme, to activate this theme obviously. Now over here, make sure you enter your license key. So you will get a license key. You have to enter that license key over here so that you can keep on getting free updates. Now once you install this theme, after that we have to install all the different extensions. So to do that, from the left hand side you will see plugins. Now first of all, if you see, because we installed this theme, so many new options are available, like this engine setting, profile packs, notification messages, micro job, credit top up. These options are available because of this theme. Now to install those extensions, you will see plugins at the left hand side. Click on plugins. Now click on add new to add a new plugin. Now click on upload plugin, choose file and open this folder, extension folder. You have six different files over here. One by one we have to install and activate these files or these plugins. Select the first plugin, bookmark plugin, click on open, click on install now. Now I won't activate this plugin right now. I'll just install all the plugins and later on we'll activate all the plugins at once. So instead of activate plugin right now, I'll click on return to plugin installer. Now I'll install or I'll upload the next extension, which is this claim extension. Again click on return to plugin installer. Let's install the third extension, discount extension. Again come back to plugin installer, upload the fourth plugin, verification, job verification plugin. Once it is done, come back and upload the next plugin, which is this express checkout, very important PayPal express checkout plugin. Then after that, the final plugin or the final extension. So click on upload, choose file, and this is the one, Stripe. Select this option, click on install now. Once you install all these things, you can click on plugins from the left hand side and you will see all your plugins that you have just installed are present over here. Now we have to activate them. So instead of activating them one by one, we can tick mark over here. This will select everything. Under bulk action, select activate and click on apply. This will activate all the plugins for you. If you see any code over here at the top, don't worry, just refresh this page. Okay, that is gone. Now let's start creating this website. Now we have the basic structure. We have all the plugins and theme that we need to create this website. Right now, if you just go back to your website and refresh it, this is how your website will look like. Now, as you can see, it is already looking very much similar to the demo website. Now, if you click on post a job, you have the basic structure. But you know what happens is first we have to create plans. Okay. So we will do everything step by step over here. So as I explained you earlier in the introduction, what is the first step on your website is that anyone can come, they can sign up as a freelancer. So when they do that, they will have to click on this and they will first see packages. We don't see any packages. So first of all, let's create packages. Then after that, we'll move step by step. So first step is to create different packages. And to create these packages, come back to your dashboard and you will see this option engine themes. Hover over engine themes and select this option theme options. And under theme option, you will see payment type. Select payment type. First of all, you have to create different packages over here. First name SKU is just number 1, number 2, number 3. Stock keeping unit, not really important. Just type in 1 over here for the first package. You just have to make sure that you type unique SKU for all different packages. Now package 1, let's name the package 1 standard package. So I'll just type in standard over here. Then after that, price. What is the price? As you can see over here, it's $5. We'll type $5. Now duration. If you type in 30 over here, what happens is this person, whenever freelancer selects this plan, they can create a job and that job will display on your website for 30 days. After 30 days, that job will not display on your website. A person has to, refresh or repurchase this plan. Then after that, their freelance job will start displaying on your website. So what I prefer is I prefer to display it as permanent. So when you select permanent, what happens is whenever they create a new job, that job will stay on your website forever. They will not have to, renew this plan. I think that is the most perfect plan. Now, number of jobs they can create or post. So maybe 5. Okay. You can also have a short description and that short description is this option. Start selling with just $5. So whatever you want to type in that thing, click on save plan. One plan is created, as you can see, SKU1, package name and everything. Second option for second plan, we'll type in SKU2, package name will type in plus, price will be $10 and with this you can create 15 jobs. Just like over here, as you can see, $10, 15 or 14 jobs, whatever. I'll just copy this short description, paste it over here, click on save plan. And now the third plan, which is this pro plan. With this, you can create 30 different posts. Okay, so SKU3, pro plan, price is 15. You can create 30 jobs and this is the short description. Click on save plan. So once you do that, again, if you come back to your website and click on post a job, or if you refresh this website, now as you can see, we have 3 different plans over here, standard, plus and pro. Now whenever someone selects any plan, for example, let's select this standard plan, click on this. Now next step is to enter the job detail, which we have seen over here. Let's open a single job. Let's open this job. So the job title, what is the price, if what is the time of delivery, extra services, what is the category. Most important is the category. So this falls under logo design category. So a customer or a freelancer cannot create their own categories. We have to create a category and that person has to choose that category. So right now, as you can see, under choose category, we don't have any option. So first we have to create different categories so that a freelancer can come to your website. They can choose any category, whichever category they prefer, they can choose that category and they can move forward. So to create different categories, come back to your dashboard. Now again, from the left hand side, you'll see micro jobs. Hover over that and click on categories. Now there can be hundreds of different categories. Like as you can see over here, we have a main category, copywriting. Under that category, we have so many different subcategories. We have a digital marketing category. Under that, we have SEO. We have WordPress category. Under that, we have help and consultation, PSD to WordPress, security, WordPress customization, something like that. So maybe we'll create a main category of digital marketing. Okay. You can create unlimited categories obviously from here. We'll just name it digital marketing. After that, you have to tick mark, or you just have to upload an image for this. Okay, so that you can display that image over here. Now I have given you a link in the video description below. When you click on that link, you will go to my website blogdude.com and you will actually land on any post. So whenever I create any video on YouTube, I create a post for that. And in that post, what I give is I give these free images. As you can see, for every single video, I give this free images. So when you download that file, again, you will get a new zip file. And in that zip file, you will have this media folder. In that, you will see all the different images that we have used to create this website. So you can use these images over here. So for this digital marketing, whatever icon you want. If you see our website, our homepage, for all the different categories, we have created different icons. Now I have given you a few icons, but suppose if you don't get the icon that you're looking for, you can create your own icon, which is very easy. Go to this website, icons8.com. It's an amazing website. You can create your icons for free. So for example, here, as you can see, we are creating a new category of digital marketing. You can just type in marketing or digital marketing over here. It will search you icons based on your keyword. Now, as you can see, there are so many free icons available over here for marketing, all colorful and beautiful icons. So whatever you like, you can select that. For example, I like this one. I can select this option. Okay, you can change the color and everything. You can go to recolor. You can, for example, instead of this yellow color, if you want a darker yellow color or a red color, as you can see, those changes are taking place on your website. So if you want to do these things, obviously you can do that. I'm canceling this thing. I just want to click download and I want to have a custom size of 100. Click on download. Now we just want to download the free version. So click on download for free. A new file will be downloaded for you. This is the one. Now let's upload that file that we have just downloaded. Okay, this is the file. Select this, click on open, click on set as image. And now if you want to display this category on your home page, like we are displaying 8 different categories. There are basically more than 30-40 categories on our website, but we are displaying 8 categories over here. So if you want to display this category on your home page, tick mark this thing, feature taxonomy. And after that, click on add new micro category. Now this is become a main category. Now in this, if you want to create some subcategories, you can do that. For example, we can create a subcategory of SEO and that will fall under digital marketing. So under parent category, we'll select digital marketing and let's choose some other image for this. Okay, let me go back to media folder. Let me just download or let me just upload all the images at once so that you don't have to do it again and again. Now, if you see, the upload speed of this website is really crazy fast, and that is because of the fast hosting. When your hosting is amazing, your download speed is also good. So as you can see how fast it downloaded or it uploaded all these different images. Now I'm selecting this file, click on set as image, click on add new micro job category. Now as you can see, besides this SEO, you have this dash, which means that this is a subcategory. So similarly, you can create unlimited different categories. Now if a person comes to your website and if they refresh this page, they select any plan, now they can get all these different category option. They can now enter any job name. So just type in job name. They can enter the price, time of delivery, in how many days they can deliver this job, maybe 2 days, maybe SEO, and after that they can type in all the description, they can upload the gallery. We'll see these things later on. Right now we are just seeing the basic structure. They can create extra services and everything. After that they will click on save, then they will be redirected to third step. Here they have to enter the payment, or they have to select the payment method, but we haven't yet created any payment methods, so let's do this as well. So to do this, they will come back to you, or you will come back to your dashboard. Now under engine settings, hover over engine settings and click on payment gateways. Now first of all we have the PayPal option, and they have made it so simple. Simply enable this thing and enter your PayPal email address. Don't have to do anything else. Just do it like this, okay? Enable PayPal API and enter your PayPal email address, and this thing will automatically be saved. Okay, then after that we have PayPal Express checkout as well. So enable this thing. If you want to have Express checkout, you will need to create client ID and live secret. Not necessary you have the regular PayPal, that's fine. But if you want to create this as well, open this link in a new tab, this developer.paypal.com link. And to create this thing, to create this Express checkout, you need a PayPal business account. For this account, for this regular PayPal, you can have any account, personal account, business account, freelance account. But for PayPal Express checkout, you must have business account. So make sure you note that thing. Now here you have to log into your dashboard and obviously enter your email address and password of your business email or business PayPal account. And from here you can create a new app. You can just name your app anything. I'll just name it demo for, what is this website we are creating? Demo for microjob, MJE. Okay. Then after that you can click on, make sure you are not under sandbox. This is right now sandbox. So again, we'll come back to this, my apps and credentials. We don't want to create sandbox. We want to create live. Okay. As you can see, sandbox is selected. Select live, click on create app. Now here you can name it anything. Then click on create app. And after that, your app will be created. You will get your client ID and your secret. Simply copy your client ID, paste it over here, copy your client secret, paste it over here. Okay. Now both these options will be automatically saved. Just make sure to do one thing. Make sure to click on this link, account eligibility. First of all, let me show you this thing. Now, as you can see under developer and personal account, you don't get this option. You can just create a sandbox account. You cannot create a live account. And to create this live account, you need the business PayPal account. Now you have to go at the bottom and under payouts, you have to enable this thing. Not necessary, but better for you for future. So you can click on contact us. You can contact them and you can enable this thing. Again, not necessary, but better for you to get to future proof your website. Then after that, we have one more option, Stripe option, which is very important. And Stripe is now also available in India. Earlier it was not available in India, but now it is available in India as well. That is amazing. Now you need your Stripe secret key and publishable key. And to get that, you have to go to this website, dashboard.stripe.com. Make sure first you have created your account on Stripe. Now when you come to this website, dashboard.stripe.com, now at the left hand side, you will see developers. Click on that, click on API keys, and here you'll get your token key for publishable key and secret key. Simply copy your publishable key from here, paste it under publishable secret key. Then after that, copy your secret key from here and obviously paste it under secret key. Alright guys, so once you do these settings, if you come back to your website again, now let's try this thing again. Click on post a job, or let's refresh this page. Select this plan, name it anything, give any price, any date. Now go at the bottom, click on save. Now as you can see, we have the PayPal payment option available. We can also enable some more payment options. For example, we can enable this cash. So you can click on enable. Basically cash is bank transfer. And here you can enter your bank details. Just enter your bank details, your bank name, account number, IFSC code, SWIFT, BIC code, whatever code are necessary. Enter those codes over here. You can also enable credit. Now, whenever someone comes to this website with PayPal, now it will also show cash and credit. So we have the three options available, and whenever the person makes a payment, they can create this job. So let me now just show you this process in complete detail. So for that, what I'll do is I'll open a new private window, new incognito window, and here I'll open this website, micro2.nearshake.com. Let's see whether everything is working fine or not. So I can click on this join us button to sign up. I can enter my new email address, click on continue. Now I'll have to choose username for myself, choose a password for myself. Confirm password, obviously just type in the same password. Make sure you accept the terms and conditions. Click on join. You will be logged in. Now, as you can see, we have created a seller account or freelance account. Now, if a freelancer wants to submit a new job, post a new job, let me first open the demo website in a new tab so that we can just copy paste all the details from here. Let me open a single job. Let's open this job. Now you have to enter, click on this post mJob, select the standard plan or whatever plan. Now job name. What is this job name? This is the job name. I'll create a cool logo for you. So this will be the job name. How many days will take to deliver this job? So here, as you can see, 2 days. So I'll just type in 2. Now this will obviously be under some different category, but we have this option. So I'll select SEO category. Now description. So this is the description. As you can see, I'll create a cool hipster logo. This will be the dimension PNG file with transparency, back in black and white colors or redesign colors. So whatever you want to do, you will just type in detail over here, or this freelancer will type in detail over here like this. And if they want to make anything bulleted list, they can select this option, click on this bulleted list. Now, as you can see, this is how it looks like. And this is numbered list. So I'm selecting this option. So they can do all these different things. They can add some links and everything. They can make it bolder, all those different things. Okay. Then after that, they can also upload the gallery. So they can showcase their portfolio, like these are the different logos and images, whatever service they are providing. They can just show those different portfolios, different works that they have done for different people. So let me just upload some better pixel images over here. Obviously, these images have nothing to do with this job, but I'm just showing you how this thing works. Okay, I'm uploading 5 images over here. And once these images are uploaded, you can now also upload a video link if you have, and you can create more services, extra services. Like as you can see, we have created extra services. So maybe I can type in over here, like if you want this with high resolution, 4K resolution, you will have to pay $10 extra. Another service can be if you want 3 logos. Okay, this will cost you $15 extra. So you can create these extra services. Then you can have your tag and you can have your opening message, which will display like this. Okay, over here. What is that? Okay, so this person has not typed in any opening message. I'll just type in this thing. So basically you just have to, convince them to go with your service or to use your service. Then after that, this freelancer will click on save, and now they will have to make the payment. They don't have anything in the credit, so they cannot use that. They can make the payment through PayPal, or they can click on cash, and they will see all their bank details, and they have to make the payment to that bank. And after that, right now it is pending. Once the payment is approved, once the admin has received this payment, this will start displaying on your website. Right now it is pending. It won't be displayed on the website. It is not yet approved. So let's see how to first approve this job. So whenever a new job is pasted, whenever something like this happens, you will always get, email notifications related to that. Like as you can see over here, new username, Nayas777 has submitted a new job. You can review it over here. So you can just click on this link to review this thing, or you can go back to your dashboard and you can click on this option, micro jobs, which is over here. Click on this. You'll see a new job over here. First, these 2 draft. Let me delete them. Now, as you can see, this is the one which is pending. If you find if you find everything is proper over here, you can go to edit. You can go through this thing. If everything is proper over here, you can just click on publish and this thing will be published. Make sure you first get the package purchase. And if you want to see whether you have received this package purchase or not, whether this person has successfully purchased the package or not, you can go to engine themes and you can select this option, package purchases. And now as you can see, this person, it is not yet approved. It is still pending. So once you have this amount, once you have received this amount in your bank account, you can approve this thing from here. Okay. It means that you have received this amount in your bank account. If you have selected PayPal, that will be easy. You just have to go to your PayPal account. You see whether that you have received this payment on your account or not. Now let's go back to that freelancer account. Let's refresh this thing. Now, as you can see, this is active and this will now display on your website. Now anyone can come to this website and they can, purchase this service. Let's see how this thing works. So we have created this from Nayas777 account. Now let me become a customer and let's see whether we are able to, purchase this service or not. So I'll click on this service. Maybe I want this service. I go through, okay, fine. This is the detail. I want to order this thing. Maybe I want this in 4K resolution. Now, as you can see, instead of $5, this has added $10 more, and this is $15. I can click on order now. Now I'll get all the different details. If I have a coupon code, I can click on apply and I can, get some discount. Now I'll click on checkout now. Now I can make payment through PayPal, cash, credit, PayPal, Express, Stripe, so many different options. Maybe I want to make payment through cash. Okay. So I'll go, again, we have to make the payment to this bank account. Cash should not be enabled by you. Basically, I'm just enabling cash just to, make it quick so that I don't have to make the payment again and again. I don't have to check that payment. That is the only reason I have enabled cash over here. You should enable Stripe and PayPal, not cash. Now, once you have purchased this thing, you can go to your order. Now, as you can see right now, this order is pending because we don't know whether the admin has received this amount or not. If you have selected some other option like Stripe or PayPal, and if the payment is successful, this will automatically become active because that payment is successful. Because this is cash, first we have to, say that we have received this payment or not. Now, again, let's go back to dashboard. Now, first, let's see whether we have received this thing or not. So under theme options, theme settings, let's see orders. Here it is, orders. Okay, 1 minute ago. Right now, again, this is still pending. If you see, if you have received this amount in your bank account, you can just approve this thing. Order will be approved. If you come back again over here, refresh it. Now, as you can see, order is active. Now, if you want, you can, this is the opening message of the customer, okay, of the freelancer. Whenever a new order is received, this is the opening message of the freelancer, like thank you for this order, or they can give the instruction to simplify this process, like thank you for this order, please let me know what kind of logo you want. You can type in that thing. Now the customer will type in, I want a logo with a alphabet, okay, something like that. So, or maybe they can also type, so they will type in all the different details over here, and they can click on this message. They can submit this message. Okay, this message was submitted. Now let's come back to Freelancer account and let me refresh this account. Now, as you can see, Freelancer has a new notification. Then when you click on this notification, this Freelancer has a new order, and this is the demand of the person. I'll say, okay, fine, I'll start this order. Now, when I start this thing, as you can see, because the time is 2 days delivery, a new timer is started. Very important. Now I have to deliver this project. I have to deliver this file within this time period. Okay. So I can say, okay, fine. When the project is completed, I can just go in and chat back and forth, obviously, over here. And when the project is completed, okay, project completed. Okay. Or maybe if the project is not yet completed, first you give them the first file and whether they approve it or not. So you can just attach that first file from here. Maybe this is the file. You'll attach this file. You can send them. That customer will receive their file. Let's see. Okay, this is the file. Okay, maybe I like this file. So I'll just say perfect. Okay. I'll say perfect. Then this freelancer will come over here. Okay, this freelancer will know, okay, fine, this is fine. So they can deliver this project. Click on deliver. And they can, here is your project, all the best, please give me 5-star rating. All this thing they will type in over here, and they will attach the final file. If they have created on PSD, on CorelDRAW, or just the file, whatever file, just the final file, they will select that file and they can click on send. And that file will be received by the customer over here. Let's refresh it. Now, as you can see, they can open this file. If everything is fine, they can see, okay, fine, I accept this thing. They can give some rating 4.5. Good. Okay. And with this transaction is settled. As you can see, everything is perfect over here. Now let's see what happens with the freelancer account. Now the freelancer will go to the dashboard. Let's see what is available in the dashboard. Now, as you can see, the amount was $15, but it is showing only $13.50 because $10 is the default commission for the website. Obviously, you as the website owner, the admin of the website, you can change that commission percentage. I'll just show you right now. But right now, as you can see, this is how it works. You'll see all these statistics, my orders, task. You have completed, you have finished this task. If whenever you receive a new task, you will see that over here in this list. So as you can see, everything is working perfectly over here. Now, a freelancer, how the freelancer will send us a withdrawal request. Let's see. They will go to my invoices. Okay, here as you can see, they have this invoice because this job is completed. They can see all these things, and they can go to payment methods. If they want to receive a payment on bank account, they can enter the bank account details like this, bank name, SWIFT code, maybe Indian Bank, SWIFT code, some code, account number. They can click on save. If they want to receive payment through PayPal, they can enter that PayPal email address over here and click on save. Okay, now if they go back to revenues, let's see what happens. Now as you can see, choose your way to get money. Now let me just go back, and if they want to send a request, they can select, maybe I want I want to withdraw my money in PayPal account. I can just type in, okay, minimum amount is $15, as you can see. So first the person will have to do sales so that they get at least $15 in their bank account or in their account on this account, and after that they can just search, or they can request this withdrawal. If you want to decrease or increase this limit of $15, obviously you can do that. Let me show you how all the other things happen. So let's see some more settings related to this. So we'll come back to our dashboard. We'll hover over engine themes, and under engine themes we will see theme options. Click on that. Now first of all, the user default avatar. So if you go to user, as you can see, this is I already have this avatar, but if the person has not yet selected any avatar, if you want to display a default image for this, you can select that as well. Okay, you can upload that image from here, and whenever someone signs up on your website, they will get this welcome message, welcome to microjob engine. So obviously instead of microjob engine, you have to type in your website name like Nayyar, something like that, and if your message over here, email confirmation. Now if you enable this thing, if you remember when we signed up with this Nayyar's 777, we entered the email address, but we did not receive any code or any confirmation on the email address because this was by default disabled. If you enable this thing, whenever a person sign up on this website, first they will get a code on email address. They will have to enter that code, or they'll have to click on that link, and after they confirm that it is their email address, only then they can proceed further. So this is how it works. All right, I'm disabling it. Then these settings are not really important. If you want to control your email template, so whenever this is to send to user when he registers successfully. So whenever someone sign up on your website, they will receive this message, hello display name. So it will display their name, whatever their name is. Hello Nayyar Sheikh, you have successfully registered an account with blog name, your website name, whatever your website name will be. Here is your account information, your username, your email address. Okay, so you can control these different templates from here. Then after that we have the microjob option. So photo setting, default thumbnail. So instead of this thumbnail, if you go to your website, now in the home page, as you can see, we have entered this thumbnail, but if there is no thumbnail available, you can upload some default thumbnail from here. Price mode, if you want, you can make it fixed, you can make it custom. I would recommend you not to change this thing. Now fixed price, if you want fixed price. Now commission fee, as you can see, it is 10%. If you want to increase or decrease this thing, you can do it from here. Now pending reviews, editing reviews. So if you enable this thing, job verification, whenever a person submits a job, first you have to review that thing. Like we did over here, you have to go to microjobs. You will see that job over here. You have to click on edit, and after that you have to publish that thing. So that is how it works. You can disable or enable this thing. Obviously, if you disable this thing, you don't have to manually approve this thing. It will be automatically approved. Now microjob order setting, time limit for order completion. Okay, you can set any time limit over here, and more details at the bottom. Okay, basically most of them are just email templates. Then after that you have the currency option. Click on currency. By default it is using the USD, United States dollar. If you want to change this thing, obviously just change the code and change the icon. Okay, rest everything looks good. Payment type, okay, we have created this thing. Now withdrawal. Now as you can see, minimum amount of withdrawal is $20. I want to decrease this to $5. So whenever, obviously you should make it at least $50 or $100, not $5. I'm doing it just to show you what happens next. Then under SEO, I would recommend you not to change anything from here. Now again, let's go back to Freelancer account. Let's refresh this withdrawal option. Now let's see, let's go to revenues. So I'll go to this option, my invoices, go to revenues. Now here, as you can see, minimum amount is 5. So I can now send a withdrawal request. I want to withdraw $10 in my PayPal account. Now I will have to enter the secure code. If you don't have the secure code, you can click on over here, request here. Now you will get a secure code on your email address and you have to enter that code. Let me show you. I have received it earlier, so let me show you. Okay, you will get an email like this, and here as you can see, this is your secure code. You will have to enter this code over here, copy it. This is old code. Obviously, I cannot enter it over here right now, but I'm just showing you. You can enter this code over here. Then after that, you will paste in this code and click on submit. Okay, I received my new code. As you can see, this is the new code. I'm copying the new code. This is the new secure code. I'll paste it over here. Click on submit. Okay, now as you can see, successfully sent. Now the website owner will see that request over here under money withdrawal, which is under engine themes. Now as you can see, they have a new request of $10. So, and this is transfer of PayPal. So if they enable this thing, if they just click on approve, this payment will be done. Now what happens is you click on that approve when you successfully make the payment. If you want to get that PayPal detail, you can click on this username. You will get, as you can see, username in this and this is the PayPal email address. Okay. So make sure you make the payment to this person, and after that, this transaction will be settled. So basically whenever a customer purchases anything on your website, for example, we have seen a customer purchase this thing for $15. That $15 will come to your bank account, not the freelancer bank account. And you have to keep the 10% commission and submit or just deliver that 90% commission or transfer that 90% of that amount to that freelancer account, which you have details over here. So this is how this thing works. And with this complete transaction is settled, including the freelancer, the customer and your commission as well. Now let's see some other theme settings. So under engine themes, as you can see, I think we have seen all the different themes, all the different settings. Yeah, we have seen all the different settings. Now the only final thing left is to create the home page. So let's see how that is done. So first let me come back to dashboard. Alright guys, now to create the home page, you will see this appearance option over here. Hover over that and click on customize. Now you will see this page. So this is quite simple. First what I'll do is I'll open this same website in new tab so that we can see the changes back and forth. First of all, we'll do the change at the top. Okay, so background image here looks bad. So I want to fix this thing. So first we'll click on site identity. If you want to change your site address and tagline, you can do it from here. You can upload your site logo from here so that, instead of this logo in microjob engine, if you want to upload your own logo, upload that from here. And you can upload your site logo from this option. Then you come back and click on this option, title and background. First option is homepage search. Now over here, you have to select the image that you want to display as the background image. So for this, I want to select this image, click on select. Obviously, there are many different images, whatever you want to select that. Now crop that section that you want to display and click on crop image. If you want, you can skip cropping. And if you want to select this option, you can change your title and subtitle as well. Okay, this is your site title. Get your stuffs done from $5 and this option. So obviously, if you want, you can do that changes from here. You can change your title and your subtitle as well. Publish it. If you come back to your website, refresh it. Now, as you can see, the background images change. When you scroll down, the structure is pretty same. You can change only the title, find what you need, and latest micro jobs. So this is find what you need, latest micro jobs. Okay, then we have this option about section. So come back here, you will see about general. Under about general, you can change this title and you can also change the background image. I would recommend you not to change this. If you see this blue color background image at the bottom, I would recommend you not to change that option. Then when you scroll down, you have icon 1 or block 1, block 2, block 3. So this is block 1, middle one is block 2, and then obviously block 3. So if you want to do some changes in this text, you can do it from here. And after that, you can just cancel this thing. Okay, so with this, your home page is done. If you refresh it, your home page is done. Now we have this option at the bottom, footer. So we want to create this menu at the top, and we also want to create this footer. So let's start with the top menu. So to create this menu, obviously again, hover over appearance and click on menus. You can name it anything. I'll name it main menu. Just type in this thing and click on create menu. Now select all the different options that you want to display in the menu. What we are doing is we are displaying micro job categories. So for that, you can click on screen options. All right. Screen option is not working, I guess. Let me click this option, manage with live preview. Basically, again, you go back to customize option. Now here click on main menu that you have just created, click on add item, and you will see all the different options over here. So we want to display micro job categories, which is over here. Select micro job category, and whatever category you want to display, you can do it like this. So we had created digital marketing, which was the main category, and under that we had SEO. So to make it under that, I'll do it like this, as you can see on your screen. Then after that, you should always tick mark this thing. Let me first just publish this thing. You should always tick mark this thing, standard menu or standard header menu. Click on publish, refresh it. Let's go at the top. Now, as you can see, digital marketing, under that we have SEO. Similarly, if you have created multiple categories, you can click on add item. Again, go to micro job categories and select all the different categories from here, and you can display your menu like this. Now cut this page. So you can do it from here or you can do it from that customize option. We can do it from here, but this time this screen option is not working. As you can see, when you click on screen option, you should see some options at the top. We cannot see that. That is the reason why we did using this option, manage with live preview. That was the customization option. Now we need to create few more menus for this option. For the bottom, how it works, trust and quality, a blog, about us, terms and privacy policy in these pages. So first of all, we have the how it works page. If you have not yet created this page, you can just go ahead, hover over pages, click on add new page. You can give it a title of how it works. I'll just copy it from here, paste it as the title, and whatever, if you want, you can just go ahead, copy paste everything from here. Just click over here, click on paste. Everything will be copy pasted like this. Click on publish. Obviously, if you want, you can just type in your own text over here as well. If you see this page, this is your how it works page. Again, hover over new and click on page to add a new page. Trust and quality. So basic text, nothing fancy over here, just title, trust and quality, and your simple text will be present over here. Obviously, these pages are not at all compulsory. If you want, you can create them. Then we also have the blog page. If you want to create different blogs, you can display your blogs as well. So to create this page, what we can do is, we can come over here, we can hover over new and click on page again, or you can click on add new from left hand side. You can name it blog, and from page attribute, you will see template. Select blog template and click on publish. Now, if you view this page in a new tab, it will display all the blogs on your website. By default, we always have this hello world. So I'll go to post. I'll delete this post hello world. You can create a new post from here. So click on add new, and let me get some dummy text. So I'll go to lipsum.com for lorem ipsum text, dummy text. I'll generate something from over here. Maybe let me copy this much. Now my content will be over here, and whatever the title is, I will enter that title at the top. And from the right hand side, you have your category, and obviously this is different category. This is not micro job category. These categories are for blog. So maybe this, I'll just give it a category of blog. Okay. Now you can also set a featured image. Maybe I'll set this as the featured image. Click on publish. So this is how easy it is to create a blog. If I open this in a new tab, this is how your blog will look like. If you go to your blog page, which we just created. So let me go your website name /blog. Okay, now as you can see, your blog is displaying over here. So whenever you create more pages, more blogs, all those different blogs will display over here. All right. Now similarly, you can create about us page like this, very simple and very basic about us page or contact us page as well. So once you create these pages, you can now create few menus for footer. Let me explain you. So you can again go to appearance, hover over appearance and click on menus. Let's create a new menu. Click on create a new menu. Name it footer 1. You can name it anything you want. Click on create menu. Now in this menu, whatever you want to display. So maybe I want to display the blog page, how it works page, and maybe trust and quality. These 3 pages. All right. So these 3 pages will display over here in the first footer. And I want to make it like this. Now I don't want this to be all capital. So you can just type in like this. You can change the title. So I'll just name it trust and quality. So you can do it like this. You don't have to tick mark anything right now. Just click on save menu. Similarly, you can create 2 or 3 more menus. And after that, you can hover over appearance, click on widgets, and you can add these widgets at the bottom footer. Now in the first footer, these widgets are, created. Just delete these dummy widgets. In the first, we want to display this menu that you have just created. So for that, we'll use the navigation menu option. which is here. Just drag and drop under footer 1. Give it a title of discover. And from select menu, select the footer 1 menu that we have just created. Click on save. Now, if you come over here and just refresh this website, if you go at the bottom, you can see that thing over here. Now, similarly, under footer 2 also, I want to display a navigation menu. So for this also, I'll just display footer 1. But obviously for this, you can create another menu and you can display that menu over here. Click on save. For footer 3, I am displaying recent post. So I'll drag and drop this over here. We can give it a title of recent posts. I want to display 3 recent posts or maybe 5. You can select that. Click on save. And at the end, I just want to display this. I just want to display my email address. So for that, I'll use this text element. Give it a title of contact us. And just your company name and your email address. Just type in that thing. Click on save. Come over here. Refresh it. Okay, now as you can see, that is present. Now, if you want to change this copyright text, you can go back over here. You can come back over here. Now from the left hand side, you will see appearance. Under appearance, you have theme editor. Click on that. Now click on I understand. Basically, you should not be doing any changes in the theme editor, but just do whatever I'm showing you. So you'll see at the right hand side footer.php. Click on that. This is a really bad thing about this theme. They should have included this somewhere on the front end because this is a premium theme. We are paying money to purchase this theme. So they should have included this in the front end. Now you'll see your copyright section over here. Now the only thing that you have to do, you have to find this text powered by, which is, let's see, which should be over here. Okay, let me just zoom out a bit. Now you can see. All right, which is over here for powered by. Here it is, powered by. So instead of powered by, just change only this much. Don't change anything else. Instead of powered by, I'll type in made by, and instead of microjob engine theme, I'll type in Nayyar Sheikh. And if you want to link this Nayyar Sheikh with something, you can, for example, if I want to link this with my YouTube channel, I can copy my YouTube channel link, come over here, and you will see this HTTPS thing. Okay, I'll delete this much and I'll paste in my link. Click on update file. So you have to do only this much. If I come over here, refresh it. Now as you can see, made by Nayyar Sheikh. When I click on Nayyar Sheikh, I'm redirected to my YouTube channel. So you can do this thing as well. Alright guys, so with this video is completed. We have successfully created a really amazing, with all the important features, microjob freelance website. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I hope this video has helped you. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up to this video, share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, different social media platforms. And obviously throughout the video, if you have any doubts, any comments, any suggestions for me, you can leave them in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any future updates. Thanks a lot for watching guys. See you in the next video.